Gay couples no longer recognized in Hong Kong. On February 12, 2025, the Hong Kong Legislative Council passed a motion titled Protecting Hong Kong's Monogamous and Heterosexual Marriage System, with 69 votes in favor, 0 against, and 10 abstentions. The motion was introduced by Election Committee legislator Junius Ho. Its goal is to strengthen legal protections for the traditional marriage system and to call for the revision and annulment of previous court rulings on same-sex partnership rights, aiming to address the challenges to traditional values. During the council debate, Ho stressed that in recent years, Hong Kong's courts of final appeal had ruled against the government in several same-sex partnership rights cases such as inheritance and public housing applications. He argued that these rulings posed a challenge to the one-man, one-woman marriage system. Ho warned that without legislative intervention, Hong Kong's marriage system would become a hollow shell, and advocated for laws that explicitly define marriage as exclusively between a man and a woman, thereby denying legal recognition of same-sex partnerships. Article 37 of the Hong Kong Basic Law states that the freedom of marriage of Hong Kong residents and their right to have children voluntarily are protected by the law. However, it does not explicitly define marriage. Supporters of the motion argued that this provision should be interpreted as protecting only heterosexual marriages. Article 19 of the Hong Kong Bill of Rights states that men and women of marriageable age have the right to marry and to found a family. Motion supporters emphasize that this provision defines marriage as a union between a man and a woman, which, along with Article 37 of the Basic Law, forms the constitutional basis for heterosexual marriage. This legislative battle over the definition of marriage is far from over. As reflected in the equality versus tradition protest seen on city streets, the deeper conversation about freedom, equality, and the rule of law in Hong Kong has only just begun. Need a lawyer? Call Edgar.